Using the program Canva, you can easily create your CV. We can find it in the list here. Resume. We will see here templates, a library of templates, and we can choose one of it. And there are subcategories: professional resume, modern resume, simple resume, infographic, minimalistic, corporate, creative, photo resume, colorful, acting, academic, graphic design resume, college resume, high school resume, scholarship, and you can choose any you like and any that looks suitable for a place where you would like to apply. We can find here also this little button, see all, professional resume. And for example, I will choose this one. You can upload the photo here, your personal photo folders. Oh, it's now here, upload, and take the image from your computer. Upload medium, and here using this device or Instagram, I will find, for example, here some face, and I will show how to change this photo. I press this element, click on this element, and I delete it. And I see the frame. We can choose another type of frame. Here are frames, and you can choose also square, but circle looks very nice. And I will return to photos, where I will choose one of the photos. Maybe I will take this one, and I drag it here. It's very easy. Here I can change the name, the title of the job, profile, skills. You can see that here there is only one page. That is very convenient to do, because you can see that the CV is a short document. It is very it's convenient to work with one-page CV to a HR specialist. So you put here important things: your short profile, your skills, and your experience, career summary, what you have done already, and your education. And one point also can be about your hobbies. You can change the size of the letters here. You can change the font of the text here. And here we see that some of the text is grouped. So how to ungroup if it is needed, or to group, for example, all the text, you click on this element and press right button of the mouse and find here ungroup. If you want to group this element, you press one element, then shift, then second, and find it here, group. It looks very easy, and you can move away. You can delete this element, or you can change the color of the element, like this, for example, or to find preferable color what you like. I hope that this short video is helpful for you and useful, and let's continue in the next videos.